Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your international experience with CIEE, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your international experience with CIEE, start by understanding your goals. Identify the skills or experiences you want to gain from studying or interning abroad. Visit the CIEE website to explore available programs and destinations. Filter options based on your academic interests or career aspirations. Review detailed program descriptions to find what best aligns with your objectives. Once you've selected a program, check the application deadlines. Gather necessary documents such as transcripts, recommendation letters, and a personal statement. Complete the online application form, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Prepare for any interviews or additional requirements specified by the program. After submitting your application, pay attention to any communications from CIEE regarding your status. Once accepted, take the time to read the pre-departure materials CIEE provides. Participate in any orientation sessions offered to better understand your upcoming experience. Plan your finances, budgeting for tuition, housing, and living expenses. Look into scholarships and financial aid options to ease the financial burden. Research the culture of your destination to ease the transition. Connect with other students participating in the same program through forums or social media. Start learning the local language, if applicable, to enhance your immersion experience. Prepare for your move by arranging housing and understanding local logistics. Stay organized with checklists for packing and essential documents. Arrive at your destination prepared for new challenges and adventures. Engage fully in your program to maximize your international experience. Participate in cultural activities and networking opportunities offered by CIEE. Document your journey through journaling or photography for future reflection. Utilize the support services provided by CIEE during your stay. Upon returning home, reflect on your experience and how it has influenced your personal and professional growth. Update your resume to showcase your international skills and experiences. Seek opportunities to share your story and insights with others. By following these steps, you'll effectively scale your international experience with CIEE. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.